Hello and welcome to another video Trains At, and today we're at Stockport on the West Coast Main Line. So you'll be seeing service by Northern, Avanti West Coast, Cross Country, East Midlands Railway, possibly, I don't know, I keep forgetting, Transport for Wales, and hopefully some freight as well. I caught 391.36 from Stoke to here, and then we can catch another Avanti to Manchester Piccadilly. So hopefully I'll release this video, probably won't edit it actually, probably touch and go. Right, so this is the one of the Ghost, the first, this is the Ghost. This is going via Stoke. $390.20. Okay, I think the Avanti is about ready to depart. Any moment now. Oh, hello. Now we have a Northern? No. What is it? What the heck is it? East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street. This is held by 158 and the 156 as 390.20. Yeah, there's TPE services to Cleethorpes. And my ears have burst. Oh, ow. So that's coming from Nottingham and Norwich. Nottingham and Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. I was going to try to go Loughborough today, but the train to Loughborough, well, to Derby and then down to Loughborough was cancelled, so you got the backups. Okay, I think she's about ready to go. Well, I think so anyhow. $158.865 leading the way. And 156.408 on the rear. 156.408 on the rear. And as we have the 9:31 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes now arriving. Okay, I think it's a double pairing of 185s. I'll walk with this. $117 and $148.